Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your availability status in the Gmail chat feature. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go up to the top here, right next to where you would normally search in Mail. And you want to select the green button, or it might be a different color in here, but it should say either active, do not disturb, or it might say away. You go ahead and select your options in here for whatever your preference is. So automatic will just show depending if the browser or tab is open or not, in which case then it would be selected here. You can also select do not disturb, so just would mute chat notifications. But you also have the option to manually override these options and select set as away, so meaning that even if you are on Gmail, none of your Gmail contacts that you've added to your friend list will be able to see that you are in fact active. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.